Today, we've got to be so intentional with parts. There's so many variables that are out there. So, build data and verifying options, maybe a good place to start. But it starts with really how you're taking the vehicle apart. Are you taking it apart in an organized fashion? What's your process for identifying parts that need to be replaced? And then what's the process to ensure that you're going to order the correct part? Electronic parts catalogs are out there. There's a number of resources that are out there for us. Going to our dealers and getting a picture of what they see, maybe the expanded version of that, or searching the parts. Sometimes have part numbers on them, but just taking and going through and taking that extra step to ensure that we're going to get the correct part. And it's difficult today because, front end that used to be 20 parts is 120 parts now. So it's a really challenging piece of the whole process.
Do you guys in your stores, your shops, do you guys like pre-order parts at all anymore, or is it all kind of bring it in, take it all apart, do it all at once? Or
that's what we like to do. We'd like to do it all at once, but we will secure a part. So essentially securing that part is a pre-order, but don't deliver it. So we got a car coming in next Monday, and we know that we're going to need a quarter panel, for an example, but we don't know what else we're going to need. We'll secure that panel, especially in a day and age where things go on back order. Seems like, left and right, and you could have a back order part. Then when that car comes in, the dealer knows, our vendor knows, the car is due on that date. We're going to then disassemble it, complete the order, and then allow them to process it and deliver it.
our goal is still like, one parts order. And then if we, know the type of car that we're working on, if it's something that we have to, that typically is on back order, we'll try to get ahead of it and get those parts on order up front.
Today, parts ordering is just a process that has to be so intentional. We've got to go above and beyond, exhaust our resources to make sure we're getting the correct parts. Because like you said, one part stops the whole car.
The whole thing.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.